Did you know that the iPhone revolutionized mobile gaming by introducing powerful graphics and touch controls, leading to an industry worth over $100 billion today? The iPhone's impact on mobile gaming has been huge, and it's interesting to think about how it all started. With the rise of smartphones, gaming on the go became a thing, and the iPhone was at the forefront of it all. People were amazed by the idea of playing console-quality games on a device that fit in their pocket. The timing of this discussion is perfect, as mobile gaming continues to grow and evolve. We're seeing new technologies emerge, like cloud gaming and augmented reality, and it's exciting to think about how they'll shape the industry. The iPhone has been a major player in this growth, and its influence can still be felt today. As we explore the iPhone's impact on mobile gaming, it's clear that this topic is both timely and relevant. We're not just looking back at history, we're also looking at how the iPhone continues to shape the gaming landscape. Apple's history in the tech industry is pretty impressive. The company was founded in 1976, and it quickly made a name for itself with the Apple I and Apple II computers. But it wasn't until the iPhone launched in 2007 that mobile gaming really started to take off. The iPhone was a game changer, and it's no exaggeration to say that it revolutionized the way we play games on the go. The iPhone's impact on mobile gaming was immediate. People were blown away by the device's graphics capabilities and touch controls. For the first time, gamers could play complex, console-quality games on a device that fit in their pocket. This was a major shift from the simple, browser-based games that were popular at the time. The App Store, which launched in 2008, was also a key factor in the iPhone's success. It provided a platform for developers to create and distribute games, and it quickly became a hub for mobile gaming. The App Store's success was a major contributor to the growth of the mobile gaming industry. The iPhone's influence on game development can't be overstated. With the iPhone's powerful hardware and intuitive controls, developers were able to create more complex, engaging games. The iPhone's impact on user experience was also significant, as gamers could now play games on the go, without the need for a dedicated gaming console. The iPhone's graphics capabilities were a major factor in its success. The device's processor and graphics processing unit were designed to handle demanding games, and it showed. Games like Angry Birds and Plants vs. Zombies were huge hits, and they showcased the iPhone's capabilities. The iPhone's processing power was also a major advantage. The device's processor was fast enough to handle complex games, and it provided a smooth gaming experience. This was a major improvement over earlier smartphones, which often struggled with demanding games. The App Store ecosystem was also a key factor in the iPhone's success. The store provided a platform for developers to create and distribute games, and it quickly became a hub for mobile gaming. The App Store's success was a major contributor to the growth of the mobile gaming industry. As we look at the iPhone's impact on mobile gaming, it's clear that there are both pros and cons. On the one hand, the iPhone provided a platform for developers to create complex, engaging games. On the other hand, the device's closed ecosystem and strict app review process limited the types of games that could be created. The iPhone's influence on accessibility was also significant. The device's touch controls and intuitive interface made it easy for people to play games, regardless of their skill level. This helped to make gaming more accessible to a wider audience. However, some critics argue that the iPhone's impact on mobile gaming has been limiting. The device's high price point and limited customization options have made it inaccessible to some gamers. Additionally, the App Store's strict review process has led to controversy and frustration among some developers. When comparing the iPhone's impact on mobile gaming to other platforms, it's clear that the device has had a unique influence. Android devices, for example, have a larger market share, but they often struggle with fragmentation and inconsistent quality. Handheld consoles, like the Nintendo Switch, have also had an impact on mobile gaming. However, these devices are often limited by their hardware and software capabilities. The iPhone, on the other hand, has provided a platform for developers to create complex, engaging games. I've had my fair share of experiences with gaming on iPhones, and I have to say that it's been a game changer. I've spent hours playing games like Pokemon Go and Clash of Clans on my iPhone, and I've always been impressed by the device's performance. The iPhone's impact on my gaming habits has been significant. I've started playing games on the go, and I've discovered new genres and developers that I might not have encountered otherwise. The iPhone has also made it easy for me to connect with friends and family through gaming. If you're considering using an iPhone for gaming, I definitely recommend it. The device provides a smooth, seamless gaming experience, and it's easy to use. However, it's not perfect. The high price point and limited customization options might be a turnoff for some gamers. Overall, I'd give the iPhone's impact on mobile gaming a solid 9 out of 10. The device has revolutionized the way we play games on the go, and it's provided a platform for developers to create complex, engaging games. If you're interested in learning more about mobile gaming trends, be sure to check out my other video on the topic. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the iPhone's impact on mobile gaming, so leave a comment below and let's get the conversation started. The iPhone's impact on mobile gaming is undeniable, and it's exciting to think about what the future holds. With new technologies emerging and the gaming industry continuing to grow, it's clear that the iPhone will remain a major player in the world of mobile gaming. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.